What's up, man? So we out here in the backyard by the garage getting ready. Hold. Alright, here we go. I ordered the master kit 1987 GMC truck here. So let's see what we got in the box here. Superior Hyperflex components deliver. You have just purchased the finest performance polyurethane components available. So I got the whole set. Got the master parts list here. A sway bar. These my body mounts here. Believe these are for my leaf springs. Here we got transmission mount, tie rod end dust boots, and then here go the bushings for the control arms here. Got the complete bushing set, and we got a whole tub of grease right here so we can keep that thing lubed up. So let me take y'all down here, show you what we're working with. You can see all this old stuff here, all the rubber, it's collapsed, got cracks in it, lots of dirt and mud built up. This truck been on a dirt road since 2001. You can see the body mounts here, they all collapsed. Got the cab sitting down a little low, so it's making it rough to get my alignment. Here's a bottom view. I sprayed these down yesterday with PB Blaster so I can go ahead and get the bolts right off. So that's what we got going on. We're getting ready to replace a whole bunch of stuff on this truck. Alright, here we went ahead and opened this first. We got the master's part list here. Got the transmission mount, front end components, rear leaf spring and shackle bushings, body mounts here. Got to reuse factory hardware, hopefully it'll be okay. And then I got the greasable sway bar bushing and end link set, and then the tie rod boots. And I printed out all the torque specifications off of her factory service manual, so I get those out here and we'll be ready to go. Oh, now